Hey guys, it's Natural D and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be giving you guys a little tutorial on how I do my two space buns. I'm going to start out by picking my hair out some so that way I get the buns how I want them to be and so they aren't like, I don't know, I can't really explain it, but y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all understand. Then I'm going to spritz some warm water around the perimeter of my hair to loosen my hair up some so it will be easier for me to brush and comb. I'm doing this style on the old wash and go, so yeah. Now I'm going to just brush my hair just to get it a little softer before I apply my product. I'm going to actually go in with my wide tooth comb just to fluff and pick my hair out some more. Then I will be starting my bun. So now I will be going in with my extreme wet line gel. To be honest, I meant to use a moisturizer before I went in with my styler. But I still think the style came out cute. It's totally up to you with whatever products you want to use. You can do just a gel like I did, or you can go in with a hair milk or a leave-in or some type of cream if you want to, just so that way your hair looks shinier and is moisturized and doesn't look dry. Like I said, this is an old wash and go, and I just didn't feel like doing my wash day a day earlier, so I just styled my hair this way because I had somewhere to go. So yeah, but anyways, I'm going to start brushing my hair up to form my ponytail. By the way, make sure you guys don't forget to brush the back up because I used to do that all the time. I used to brush it a little bit, but I would mainly be focusing on the front, and then like the back will get real frizzy or wouldn't be as sleek as the front of it, so it just looked a little crazy. So yeah, just make sure that you guys are focusing on the back of your hair also, because remember, people do see the back of your head. Like, it's not all about how the front of your hair looks. And I used to be one of those people like, girl, I don't care how the back of my hair look. Everybody gonna see it from the front. No, because people do see the back of your head. Like I said, like you're walking in front of people, people are behind you, or whatever the case may be. But yeah, just make sure that you focus on the back of that head too, so it could be sleek like the front. And excuse my lighting. I use natural lighting, so it was messing up a little bit the focus. My camera wasn't focused in some parts of the video, so I do apologize for that. But yeah, now I'm going to just do the same thing that I did to my other ponytail to this one. I'm going to apply my gel, then I'm going to brush it up into my ponytail, and then I will form my buns. Okay, so I have my ponytails and I'm going to just fluff them a little bit more with my pick. This is actually a cute style also, just to leave them just like this. You guys can leave them like this, or you can go ahead and form them into buns like I'm going to do. But either way, I think it's cute. It's a cute little style, little quick style for, like I said, days where you're working on an old style, like a wash and go, twist out, braid out, whatever, and you just want to put your hair up. Now I'm going to do my edges. I will be using my wet line gel, and also I will be using what is it? I'm gonna show it on the screen. I just can't remember what it is. My Can2 edge control. Yeah, that's what it is. My Can2 edge control to put on top of my wet line. Also, don't mind my sister. She in the back of my video. She just yeah, she wouldn't listen. I kept telling her I was recording, and she just kept finding it funny to walk behind me and be in my video. So don't mind her. But yeah, I'm going to just do my edges really quick, and then I will form my buns. Also, don't mind that little string of that little piece of hair that's hanging from my ponytail. Just, I didn't notice that until now, so. Okay, so now that I'm done with my edges, like I said, you guys can leave it like this if you want, or you can form them into buns like I'm about to do. It took me a little while to get both of my buns similar because, yeah, it just wasn't, my hair wasn't cooperating, so I had to just keep playing with them until I got them the way that I wanted them to look. So I went ahead and fixed my buns off camera. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't. And I will see you ladies in my next video.